Super apps are revolutionizing the modern world. With the tremendous growth and success of apps like Gojek, Grab, Paytm, Rappi, Careem, and the recent hype Tata Neu, super apps are an app development trend that's going to transform the future of mobile applications. Are you a budding entrepreneur or business owner who's planning to create your own super app? Being a leading software and mobile app development company that has helped over 10,000 clients build their online presence, Brew Labs presents DeliverSafe, a white-label super application to run and manage multiple businesses under one roof. DeliverSafe is a one-stop solution to different business needs. Not only an app, it's a complete multi-service marketplace solution that includes branded website and app for customers, easy-to-use delivery agent application, and a robust admin panel to manage your business seamlessly. On the top, DeliverSafe has all the features that keeps your business running smooth even during adverse times like the COVID-19 outbreak. Want to see how DeliverSafe works? Or want to know the cost to build all-in-one super application? Just sign up on the link in the description to book a live one-on-one demo with us and get a free quote now. And lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And reach out to us if you have an amazing app idea and want to turn it into reality.